What can ruin your first impression of a guy and make you run away? What kind of attitude?
I think maldito attitude.
Maldito. What's maldito in English? Maldito like
Mataray.
matare like I would say similar to bitch attitude.
Yes.
My first impression to a guy that makes me run away is
Always remember, being confident is attractive, but being arrogant is
What can ruin your first impression of a guy and make you run away?
First impression of a guy is, I feel like for me, if a guy has like, if it's obvious that he has a fixed mindset, but because especially if you're a woman or a man that likes people who have a matured mindset, so that's kind of an ick for me po. Like
Fixed mind?
fixed mindset.
Okay, fixed mindset. Okay. How old are you?
21 po.
She looks so young. 21, you have like baby face. What can ruin your first impression on a guy and make you run away?
my first impression to a guy that makes me run away is I think he's very arrogant of himself. Yeah.
Very arrogant.
Yeah.
Okay. Very arrogant. That's it. No more, right? Just being arrogant.
Being arrogant of himself and being entitled, like what he shows me is about her achievements and his achievements of himself, and sometimes I am asking of some questions, but he continues to uplift himself and not on the topic. So
Oh, okay. How old are you?
I am 24.
24 years old. So that means you're working now, right?
I am working currently.
Okay. May we know if it's okay with you? Like, what's your job?
I am a office staff in a hospital.
What can ruin your first impression of a man and make you run away?
For me, I think her attitude,
His attitude.
his attitude, because I think ako po kasi na tumitingin ako sa physical ng isang guy when it comes to first impression. I think the red flag and the attitude yung makakapag ruin ng impression ko sa isang guy.
Okay. So she said that what do you call this? What do you call this? This is the problem when you translate. Anyway, she said that the attitude of a guy that makes her run away. Okay, and because she's actually basing on the physical appearance, first impression, physical appearance, and then it goes, the attitude. What kind of attitude?
I think maldito attitude.
Maldito. What's maldito in English? Maldito like
Mataray.
matare like I would say similar to bitch attitude.
Yes. I
Okay.
think bitch attitude.
With bitch attitude. Okay. I think that's okay. Okay. How about you?
Also, ano po, same lang po sa kanya.
Same with her?
Yes po. Like, parang yung, parang yung red flag, parang pinapakita niya po agad yung ugali niya, parang ganun.
Okay. It's like showing his true colors like that. What kind of true colors? Attitude, what?
Mayabang po.
Mayabang. What's mayabang in English?
Same like
Like not humble. Not humble. Yes. Mayabang, not humble. Okay. I'm just curious, what's your age?
18.
18 and
18 po.
both singles?
Yes pa.
Okay, why are you both singles?
Ano?
She said that she's scared to commit. Why? What's in commitment?
Ang galing pa lang po sa breakup.
Oh, she just broke up with her partner. That's why. And how about you? Are you also scared of commitment?
Yes, and of course, ano, when it comes to girls, kapag nasaktan yung girls, then pag na-trauma, syempre,
Okay, so when a girl get hurt, they got traumatized, and
I think that's
That's what happened.
That's the main reason why I'm a single right now.
Okay, so we invited Jessica for tonight because we're going to have a dinner later. And since we couldn't find anyone to interview, and she agreed that we can interview her. So again, we will have Jessica for today's what do you call this interview? What can ruin your first impression of a man and make you run away?
First is being arrogance and having egotism. So meaning to say, nobody likes a guy with who constantly boasts um about himself, and also talk to others down, and also seems like he thinks that he he's better than everyone else. So always remember, being confident is attractive, but being arrogant is the major red flag for me.
Wow, that's really nice. Thank you. Okay, well anyway, I think we have to we have to end it here because we're hungry. So, but thank you. Okay, hopefully we earned your subscription, and also if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive videos. Thank you so much for watching, and take care everyone. Bye-bye. Okay, mapis pa din.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, peace, smile.
1, 2, 3. Okay. Thank you, Be. Thank you. Thank you, Be. Salamat. Elise.
Wait, nurses.
Ha?
Nurse.
Nurse? I don't think they're like in a hurry, mas man. Excuse me. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Pwede ka mo ma-interview, ma'am? Nag-vlog kami. One question man lang. We're gonna try to interview this lady here. I think I don't know if I know her or what. Excuse me, sorry. Pwede kang ma-interview kahit 1 minute lang or 2 minuto lang. Okay lang? Ano lang, quick lang, parang ano siya, parang fast talk. Parang fast talk lang. Kailan na edad mo, be? 18 years old. Pwede? Di na kita, interview ta ka, di lang. Ano lang, fast talk. No, excuse me. It's like ano lang, excuse me. Yung parang sa mga kay Boy Abunda baga, yung mga fast talk na alam mo ba, pag duwang word, pagpipilian mo, parang arog lang kayo. Okay lang? Sige, okay? Okay, hiling ka lang naman, Ben. No matter what, hiling ka lang sa camera. Mapili ka lang. Aram mo ang dad bod? Aram mo ang dad bod? Yung taong may dakulang tulak. Okay, yun ang dad bod. Okay? Okay yan. Yung parang, okay, which one? Hey there? Di bang kita ba na, Ben? Para magandang background ta. Where should I wanna, should I get here? I want you to see the bike. It's fine. Okay, how about here? Okay. Dali lang sa camera, bibaw ko sa kumagiling. Sa camera, bigay ka, bisa ka taning ko. Back mano nga, okay na, sa taning lang. Mapili ka lang, okay? Magmalo, apple, orange. Anong gusto mo? Arag ka yan. Thank you, Be! Ingat!
Thank you, ate. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Be. Thank you, Be. She looks like the Miss Universe, my husband. What, babe? Oh. Thank you, members. Thank you for always supporting us, and see you on the next video.
Okay, mic check.
Okay, sound check, sound check.